Anuradha Star Day. Goddess Lakshmi was born on a day when the moon was in Anuradha, that is the myth. And this is a power time also for the divine being, Maharishi Vishwamitra, who revealed the sound Brzee to the Dr. Pillai. And ever since, so Dr. Pillai has also revealed that in a past life he was Vishwamitra. So no surprise, the sound came to him through an Adi reading in very mysterious ways. And I love the story, but it's a little long maybe for this presentation because we started a bit late. So on Anuradha Star, do more Shreem Brzee. Try to write it 108 times, but if you can, 1,008 times is even better. And you can also, of course, invoke Lord Vishnu, because he's always with Goddess Lakshmi, and when you pray to him, the goddess is happy. And in fact, there are some chants called Kanakadara chants, which praise Vishnu, and so Goddess Lakshmi is so happy to hear all these compliments and beautiful thoughts about her husband that she will bless you with gold. So it's a power time, even if you don't believe in these archetypes, but I do. They are in your already in your subconscious mind, in the collective unconscious even. So we all have our beings in our unconscious that they are operating through us, and they are very, but fortunately, very benevolent and very loving and very auspicious. So we only want to connect with those, right? And May 6th, so is Anuradha Star. Some people do a fire ritual to Anuradha Star, and also Goddess Lakshmi on that day. If you have been trained, or you know how, you can light a lamp, you can light a candle and offer the light to Goddess Lakshmi, and maybe put a little sweet on the altar or on a clean shelf. You can also put a statue and add a flower, offer a flower, chant Shreem Brzee, offer some light, an incense stick, so burn that, and you will feel different after. You'll feel amazing. And it all happens from your thoughts, right? So whatever you're thinking, how you're feeling that day, that's how you'll be able to create with that energy, rather than from an energy, I'm so tired and I'm so I don't know what to do, I'm unclear the next step. So praying is really a win-win, right? So you're bringing more positivity, better frequencies to your life and also into the world. So it's good for everybody.